What's up, beauties? It's your girl Naturally Shay back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing large/jumbo false locks today in Spo Rihanna. Okay, so I'm going to be attempting this as fast as I can because my daughter's in the living room eating and I kind of want to get this done tonight. I'm going to show you guys the hair that I purchased and I'm going to be using for this video just so you guys can save yourself a little time. I bought a Cuban twist, super long, 24 inches braiding hair. This color is OT 530, so it's an ombre like burgundy, and then I also got the color 2, and I'm going to be doing most of these in the front, and then these are going to be just random pieces that I add in wherever I want. So off camera I'm going to be doing my parting, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do to achieve this look. This is going to be my first time trying this, so fingers crossed, say prayer to the hair gods, and let's hope for the best. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. My parts are all done. I was trying to decide whether I want to do the crochet method or if I want to take each rubber band out and then braid it and then do the hair. I really want a natural look, but I don't want it to get messy fast. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm going to first try the crochet method and see how I like it. And then if that doesn't really work, we're going to switch to the braids. Alright, y'all, so I kind of overestimated the ombre because I thought it would come out like ombre, dark then red, but I didn't think that I have to wrap the hair. So this is what the ombre is looking like. Now, I don't hate it, and I really don't have any other choice because I only bought 3 packs of black and then 2 packs of the ombre. And yeah, so I am using 3 individual like pieces for each. So I did the math for how many braids I have and how many more strands I have left. So it kind of leaves me with 1 strand for one last part. I had to grab some of my spring Afro twist hair, which is more shiny. So just make sure your parts kind of equal to the hair amount. I wouldn't suggest buying a whole nother pack of hair. I mean, unless you want to like redo some of the hair later. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the ombre. Alright, y'all, so I am all done. I want to show you guys my hair. Keep in mind, one of my locks were done by my spring twists here, so it kind of has like a butterfly lock effect. But I just found some extra hair, so I just wrapped it around the top. So, you know, if you notice it, put in the comments like, sis, I see the butterfly lock. But if you don't notice it, that means I did a good job. Just a couple things. I did kind of have to redo my first one over and over again because I just had to get the hang of it. My ends, I really can't secure myself because I don't know how to do that 100%. So my ends just kind of are unraveling a little bit right now. But I think I'm going to do in another video, 1, showing you guys how I style my locks, my jumbo locks. 2, and also a review on how they do, how my locks held up and how long they're gonna last me. I'm hoping maybe a couple weeks or maybe 2 weeks or so, but we shall see. Only thing I am a little concerned about is me working because my job sucks. So I really don't want to hear nobody mouth about my hair. And that really sucks that we Black women have to feel like we can't be comfortable in our own skin or in our own style or in our own creativity because of jobs. That's why I can't wait to quit. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so I don't have to work anymore. Thank you. I'll see you guys later. Again, like this video, comment down below. Make sure you turn on those post notifications as well, just so you guys can know when I'm posting my next videos like these. I am going to be posting a lot before January because I have a goal of 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help your girl out and also help me to not have to work anymore, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.